The volcano of fire blew its lid in 2016, and some stationary cameras were there to record some awe-inspiring time-lapse footage. The bright orange lava flowing down the side is gorgeous against the star-studded sky. Martin Rietze, the person who shot this footage, definitely deserves a job with National Geographic. We get another excellent angle showing the city lights in the background as the volcano blows once again. But perhaps the best shot in the entire video comes towards the end as night falls on the erupting volcano.